You're watching Gyan. My name is Nitijan, and guys, in this video we're gonna see what gonna be the study routine, what should be the study routine for German learners. If you are a beginner, if you are started learning, if you are in B1 or B2 also, then guys do follow this study routine, and yes, I'm sure you're gonna become the German master. So yes, let's get in this video. If you are watching me for the very first time, then my name is Nitijan. I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes, interview preparation, what not. So why do waste time? Enroll with German Gyan and let's get into this video. Let's go.
Routine to learn German. Let's start with 20 to 30 minutes of learning per day. For vocabulary, use apps like Anki or Duolingo for 10 to 15 minutes of spaced repetition and aim for 10 to 20 new words every day. Then for listening, passive exposure with commuting podcasts like Slow German or Coffee Break German or YouTube channels like Easy German. You can follow the podcast of all these channels. And then one grammar point means pick one concept, that is accusative case, dative case or modal verb, and do a few exercises on it. So this is how you can divide your 20 to 30 minutes of the day for learning. Then for the weekly plan, focus on speaking practice. You can use italki or Tandem to find a native speaker or tutor for 30 to 60 minutes. Even one session per week makes a huge difference. So go and find your speaking partner. And if you are enrolled in some of the classes and there you have speaking partner, then that is also a good thing. Then a second module is reading. Read a short news article or a children's book or some graded readers. Or you can also follow some of the books, for example Studio 21 and Network. You can start reading these textbooks as well. Start watching some TV or film as well. For example, you can go with Nikos Fake or Mein Erster Weg. So you can go and watch these videos. And remember, you have to watch these videos of course in German language, but you can take the help of subtitles. Then talk about the monthly case. So review your progress. Just check whether can you understand more than last month. Write a short paragraph in German and compare it to the last one. Then adjust what's working. In this, what you have to do, just figure out that what part of the language is of no use, so you can just switch that to more input based learnings. Remember, routine is good, but there are many other things that can be more fruitful. Way you learn German. Learning German your way is the most powerful tool you have. Everyone's brain processes language differently. Some thrive through music, others through conversations, flashcards or films. When you customize your learning style, you stay motivated, retain more, and progress faster. Forcing yourself into a rigid method others use can slow you down. Identify what excites you, podcast, grammar, books, travel phrases, and build around that. Your personalized approach transforms German from a challenge into an enjoyable, sustainable journey towards fluency. The first thing to learn German is setting up a target. Means setting a clear target is the foundation of learning German effectively. Without a goal, your efforts lack direction and motivation fades quickly. Define why you are learning, for business, travel, education or passion. And set specific milestones like mastering 500 words in a month or holding a basic conversation in 3 months. Targets create a roadmap, measure your progress, and give you a sense of achievement at every stage. A focused goal transforms random studying into a purposeful, structured journey towards German fluency. Second point, content consumption. The content you consume shapes how fast and naturally you learn German. Watching German films, listening to podcasts, reading books, or following German social media immerses your brain in real, everyday language. It exposes you to authentic vocabulary, pronunciation, and cultural context that textbooks often miss. Choosing content that genuinely interests you, sports, cooking, music, or news, makes learning enjoyable and consistent. The more quality German content you absorb daily, the faster your brain adapts, making comprehension and speaking feel effortless and natural over time. Writing practice. Writing practice is a powerful tool in mastering German. When you write, you actively reinforce grammar rules, vocabulary, and sentence structures in a way that reading alone cannot. Keeping a daily journal, writing emails, or practicing essay in German trains your brain to think and express ideas in the language. It also reveals your weaknesses, helping you identify areas needing improvement. Regular writing builds confidence, accuracy, and fluency, making your overall communication stronger. Consistent writing practice bridges the gap between understanding German and truly owning the language. The core principle to keep in mind: comprehensible input is king. Means reading and listening to things slightly above your level accelerates acquisition faster than rote grammar study. Then consistency beats intensity. 20 minutes every day beats 3 hours on Sunday. That means give time to your studies on the daily basis and not only on Saturdays and Sundays. Then speak early, even badly. German pronunciation and grammar solidify much faster through speaking than through passive study.
So guys, how was this video? I hope now you're gonna follow this study routine as a German learner and you're gonna become the expert of German like all the further people are. Like I'm not, but all the further people are. So yes, thank you so much for showering lots of love. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care.